Hey there, Barbie lovers!
I have an important tip to help you to keep the value of your beloved Barbie dolls intact. Many of us experience the frustration of seeing our Barbie dresses get stuck to her body, especially when they are made out of synthetic fibers. But worry not, because I've got a simple solution for you. In this YouTube short, I'll be showing you how to make an underdress for your Barbie doll that will help to protect her beautiful and delicate skin to keep those fibers away from her beautiful dress. Picture this, your Barbie doll with that melted on dress, but don't worry, we'll address the problem head on. To make the underdress, we'll be using acid-free silk paper. The material is perfect as it won't stick to the Barbie's body and it will provide a smooth layer between her and the dress, preventing any mishaps. You will be amazed how easy it is to create this underdress and how much it can prolong the life and value of your Barbie dolls. But wait, there's more. Stay updated with the latest Barbie fashion tips, tricks, and make sure to follow our social media accounts. BusyBee regularly shares creative ideas, fun DIY projects, and exclusive content that you won't miss. Join our community of Barbie enthusiasts and let's bring out the best in our dolls together. Remember, taking care of Barbie dolls is not just about preventing their value, but it's also about preserving the memories and joy they bring. So let's keep those Barbie dresses looking fabulous while protecting our dolls with these underdresses made from acid-free silk paper.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy doll styling!